Next is question number 2, part A. Y is equal to px square plus t. Its I part is find the value of y when p is equal to 3, x is equal to 2 and t is equal to minus 13. Then y is equal to p is 3, x is 2 and t is minus 13. 3 times 2 square minus 13 is minus 1. The value of y is minus 1. Second part is rearrange the formula to write x in terms of p, t and y. Y is equal to px square plus t. We have to write this formula in terms of p, t and y for x. Then y minus t over p is equal to x square and x is equal to plus minus y minus t over p and its square root. Y minus t over p and its square root with plus minus. Next is question number 8. Part A is a solid cuboid measures 20 cm by 12 cm by 5 cm. Its part I is calculate the volume of the cuboid. And volume of the cuboid is length times width times height. Let's say this is length, this is width and this is height. So 20 times 12 times 5. 20 times 12 times 5 is 1200. Volume of the cuboid is 1200 centimeter cube. Second part is, and its A part, calculate the total surface area of the cuboid. Surface area of cuboid is given by 2 times length times width plus length times height plus height times width. 2 into length is 20, width is 12, plus length is 20, width is 5, plus height is 5, width is 12. 2 multiplied by 20 times 12 plus 20 times 5 plus 5 times 12 is 800. Surface area of cuboid is 800 centimeter square. Next is part B. A solid metal cylinder with radius x and height 9x over 2 is melted. All the metal is used to make a sphere with radius r. Find r in terms of x. The volume V of a sphere with radius r is V is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. And volume of the cylinder pi r square h. Pi and radius is x for cylinder, so x square, and height is 9x over 2, so 9x over 2. This is the volume of the cylinder, and volume of the cylinder should be equal to volume of the sphere. Then pi x square times 9x over 2 is equal to 4 over 3 pi times r cube. Now this pi is cancelled with this. Now this side is 9 over 2x cube is equal to 4 over 3 r cube. We need r in terms of x. Then r cube is equal to 3 over 4 times 9 over 2x cube. And we want r in terms of x. Taking cube root on both sides, r is equal to 3 over 4 times 9 over 2x cube and its cube root. So cube root of 3 over 4 multiplied by 9 over 2 is 3 over 2. R is equal to 3 over 2 and the cube root for x cube will be cancelled. So here we will have 3 by 2x. R is equal to 3 over 2x.